So, hello, hello. What's up, kapamilya? So, nandito tayo with the cast of Romance Reboot. We have here Emilio Diaz.
Shania Gomez.
Kaori Oinuma.
One word to describe your character. Ayan.
Kai. I would say Kai is sweet. Yeah.
Mhm.
Okay. I'm not gonna say AI kasi ano, diba? McKenna is helpful.
I agree.
Enzo is passionate.
Ayun. Hala ko Kenna is...
Wow! McKenna is...
Sa lahat po ng manonood, mapapanood nyo na po ang Romance Reboot only on iWant.
Yes po, malapit na po yan. Ngayong October 17 na po yan.
Yes, kaya subscribe to I Want Now so you don't miss out. And shout out to Mavex.
Let's
Thank
go.
you.
Ako for me, ako ako lang naman, wala naman masama mangarap.
Mhm.
Pero kasi minsan meron pang ibang bagay yung mas kailangan ko. Ako yun So, feeling ko, meron mga pangarap na kailangan ko muna isang tabi para sa mga kailangan ko muna sa ngayon. And I think kung may time pa naman in the future, yun ang ipaperso ko naman. Yeah, I think.
Para sa akin, it's such a privilege to make your passion your job, to be able to earn from your passion. But I'm not saying that it can't be a reality. It definitely can be. So, para sa akin though, it's also something that you can parang work towards.
Yeah.
Kasi as of now, for example, for Enzo, his passion wasn't paying the bills. Not saying that it cannot, but in order minsan diba mas masarap talaga yung maging successful kapag may sacrifices. If you've gone through things to be able to get to that point. So, yun yung take ko.
I think in contrast to my character, I think as Emilio, talagang mas practical talaga ako na tao. So, mas pipiliin, parang ako yung tipong tao na parang i-hold ko muna yung pangarap ko, tapos magagawin ko yung mas practical para makuha yung pangarap ko in the future. So, parang delayed gratification ba?
Ayun. Complete the sentence.
Okay.
Romance Reboot is ...
Romance Reboot is a roller coaster. Yeah.
Ay, oo. Agree.
Romance Reboot is available on iWant. No, Romance Reboot is heartwarming.
Mhm.
Ako naman, Romance Reboot is for the dreamers.
Yes.